Alright, have my lovely sewing ruler for comparison. We can show you the end of my countertop. It's just about, that's completely level. 1 inch. Oh, let's go down a little bit. Not quite 1 inch. Let's go to the other end. So yeah, there's a little bit of issues, and telling from this side, you see that I was completely going back. Zoom in a little more. One inch. Halfway down. Sorry, it's hard to focus this with one hand. A little shy of 1 inch. Hard for me to put this my neck this way too. Sorry. Definitely off 1 inch. So when I look down, I could tell that that is definitely uneven. Let's go over here. It's under the peninsula. Sorry. It's easier with 2 hands, but I have to hold the ruler. And I didn't change over my lens. Alright, so we have that. We have that. We have that. I was expecting 1.5 inch overhang for everything. Now my stove, I would have to really pull it out, but from this corner to this corner, they are not even. My stove is all the way back, and if I was to pull it out and take a yardstick and go from one end to the other end, we have a little bit of a problem, as you can see. It's completely focusing in the wrong area. So we have right here it's not even a 1/2 inch difference. Sorry, this is a really crappy video, but you get the point. And then, like I said, my stove is all the way in. And I don't know why it's really off my camera, but you know, it's off like 3/4 of an inch. And then when you go around the rest of the bottom of my cabinets, it kind of looks like this. Tons of space, a shim, and there's like no space at all. So that lead into me that that was pretty level. Why they stuffed caulking under there, I don't know. The other side. I understand this part because that had an actual piece of wood there they took out, but like I have these huge gaps. And then if you look here in the back, and actually look at the actual box in the back, they were definitely cut into. I have a sharp shim here that sticks out. I have a 2-year-old. This is perfect height for him. The caulking is turning from white to clear, I guess. But we have like random spots of caulking. And another sharp shim here. Caulking under here. That was done by their little sawzall, whatever the heck it was. They definitely trimmed off some of my cabinet. And then under here, I didn't drill my dishwasher back in because they kind of just decided to put in a new piece of wood because they cut through the other one. And that it will obviously have to be covered or painted or something. Originally, when they brought in the countertops, where did I put my ruler? They were almost a 3-inch overhang, and I was like, oh hell no, that's not gonna fly. Right now we are sitting at, I'm never gonna use this mode again, almost a 2-inch right here overhang. But then if I go down here, down where my sink is, it's less. So it's just all over the place with evenness. As for my fridge, haha, this is what I'm not happy about. Alright, Home Depot said it's from streaks from cleaning it, which is not the case, because if so, my whole fridge would have streaks all over it. If you look really closely, you don't really see streaks all over it. You know, you're gonna get some glare from the light coming in. But I shouldn't have something. Let me shine some light on it. That is deep. Like that. Down there. Across the bottom, right above the handle. That's from something going across it. You could clearly see that being something moving across it. And then I have up and down streaks right here. Tell me who in the world, when they clean a stainless steel fridge, go up and down. That is not from cleaning. I'm sorry. Then I have a nice scratch right there, you can see. Where else? There's some like right there. That's from something rubbing against it. That no way is from cleaning. No way. 'Cause then it would be the whole damn fridge. And then I have two nicks where I'm actually with actual, oh, and then if you look down here, I know it's still a little dirty, I didn't clean it that well, but my little one was sleeping and I had a little break. Right down there, that's from someone banging into it. But there is actual dings. I should have labeled it before doing this video. That there is actual stainless ripped off. Okay, so now we have here, this is on the upper door. Right there we have a huge rub, like something got rubbed into it and it's sideways. So something was being carried. That's pretty good area all along there. And there's no way that's from cleaning, like Home Depot says. I'm very particular about my appliances. The kitchen's my favorite room in the house. So that is not from cleaning, that is from something getting lifted up and carried across. And then I have some more. And then I have a couple of things. And then from here, this one's long. I don't know if you'll be able to see it. I can catch it on the side. I want to say it's quite a few inches long. It's more than 12 inches, I can tell you that. My ruler, I'll put it right next to it. Maybe it is about 12 inches, but I don't know if you can see it. But right there, right where the ding starts, they have a scratch going all the way. Sorry, I'm using my daughter's camera, not mine. Goes all the way up, right along my ruler. All the way up. Okay. So, and there's another one. I don't know if I caught this one or not, but it's a little bit